What's up, everyone? Are you driving an older vehicle and wishing you could easily stream your favorite playlists without spending a fortune on a massive dashboard upgrade? Welcome back to Tech Product, where today we are checking out the best one in-car radio to modernize your daily driving experience. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Airless One in-car radio, you will quickly realize just how much this compact unit can actually do for you. Many people assume they need a giant touchscreen to get modern audio features, but Airless proves that you can get incredible functionality in a much smaller footprint. It is a wonderfully compact and highly versatile audio solution specifically designed to instantly enhance your overall driving experience. Whether you are commuting to work early in the morning or heading out on a cross-country road trip, having the right audio system completely changes the mood of your journey, making the miles fly by with absolute ease. One of the most essential features of the Airless One in-car radio is its fantastic built-in Bluetooth functionality. We all know how frustrating it can be to deal with tangled auxiliary cables or low-quality radio transmitters that constantly lose their signal. With this advanced Bluetooth connection, you can enjoy completely seamless music streaming directly from your smartphone or any other compatible wireless device. The moment you step into your vehicle and start the engine, your phone connects automatically to the stereo. This rock-solid wireless connection ensures that your favorite carefully curated playlists, engaging audiobooks, and daily podcasts are always instantly accessible. It completely removes the hassle from your morning routine, making every single drive significantly more enjoyable and completely stress-free. While wireless streaming is incredibly convenient, sometimes you want a dedicated physical music library that lives inside your car permanently. The Airless One in-car radio has you completely covered in that department as well. For those who prefer a reliable wired option, this unit features a highly accessible USB port located right on the front control panel. This incredibly handy port provides a simple and easy way to play thousands of high-quality music files directly from your portable flash drives. It is especially useful when you are driving through remote rural areas where cellular data connections drop out, ensuring your music never stops playing unexpectedly. This brilliant addition offers you total flexibility in exactly how you want to manage and enjoy your digital audio content. Beyond just keeping you entertained with great music, the Airless One in-car radio serves as a vital communication hub for your vehicle. It fully supports highly responsive Bluetooth calling, which is an absolute necessity for modern drivers. This wonderful feature enables completely hands-free communication while you are out on the busy road. By simply pairing the radio with your personal smartphone, you can effortlessly make important business calls and receive messages from your family without ever taking your hands off the steering wheel or taking your eyes off the highway ahead. In today's world of distracted driving, this hands-free capability actively promotes much safer driving habits while keeping you perfectly connected to your life outside the vehicle. To make those phone calls actually usable, the remarkably clear sound quality provided by the Airless system ensures that your conversations remain perfectly audible and brilliantly crisp. You will not have to shout over the engine noise, and the person on the other end of the line will hear you loud and clear. Moving on to another highly practical feature, this stereo system includes a beautifully illuminated time display. While it might sound like a minor detail, having a bright and easily visible way to check the time while driving is surprisingly helpful. You do not need to pull out your phone or look down at your wrist. This simple addition helps you stay on schedule for your daily appointments without causing any dangerous visual distraction, beautifully combining smart functionality with safety. Overall, the Airless One in-car radio masterfully combines high-quality entertainment, vital hands-free communication, and practical everyday features into one amazingly sleek, user-friendly package. Its perfect blend of versatile music playback options, safe hands-free calling capabilities, and a distraction-free time display makes it a highly dependable companion for your daily city commutes and those long weekend journeys. Are you ready to finally take control of your daily commute with some amazing modern audio technology? Check the price link in the description to easily grab this awesome stereo system for your own car today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more great videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching and drive safely out there.